Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Excel lines such as horizontal or vertical grid lines, borders or lines in charts. Here are some common issues and how to address them with a step-by-step guide. So first method is fixing grid lines not showing or disappearing in Excel cells. So first you need to go to the View tab. Make sure this one should be ticked like this, otherwise you can't see the grid lines. Also, you need to check your worksheet background color set to no fill. To do that, so first you need to select all the area that your data is in. Then after, you need to go to the Home tab and go to the fill color. Then you need to set as no fill like this. So the second method is you can adding or fixing horizontal or vertical lines inside Excel cells. So you can use Excel borders feature. To do that, first you need to select the rows and columns where you want to lines like this. Then after, go to Home tab and go to the font group. In here you can see borders icon in here. Just tap on drop down menu. There are several options here. If you're using bottom border, you can add horizontal line below a row, or you can use top border, for it will be create a line above, or you can use all borders, then it will be make the borders all the way all through the cells. So you can use any one in here. As an example, I like to use all borders. So you can see now it is showing as a table because all site has now borders. You can customize the thickness and other things in the borders by just select this one. You can see there are several options here, more borders, and you can select the color for that one. You can select the style, more thicker one, more dotted one kind of things. Then tap on OK. If the issue is happened on the Excel charts like horizontal or vertical lines, so first you need to add the chart for that one. As an example, I like to use this kind of pie chart. So you need to right click on it, go to select data option and tap on add option. You can add the series name as test. Actually no need to add manually the data, so you can first go to the insert tab and select your chart and use like this. Then right click on it, go to select data. Then after, you can see already we have data, so you have to select all the range. Then after, tap on OK. So now you can see the chart is appeared right here. So if you need to fix the lines in this chart, so you need to right click on it, go to in here select you need to select the middle of the chart. Then after, go to format data series. So you need to select the first option. Then you can see border option here. You can add automatic border or no line like this, or solid line. You can change the color of that line, or gradient line like this. So these are the methods you can try to add the lines, or try with other things like colors kind of things. And the final method is, if you cell lines show as this kind of hash icons, so you need to increase the width of the cell. So you need to select the column. Then after, when you come to the edge of the column, you can see your mouse cursor is changed to like this. Then after, you can drag and drop the column width. So these are the methods you can try to fix Excel lines. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.